Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you delete your Gmail account. So at first, just go to your Gmail. Now just click the top right your profile icon and click on manage your Google account. Now here you can see these options here. Just click on data and privacy. Now just scroll down and here you can see delete your Google account. Click on it. If you want to delete your Google account, you need to know your password. Otherwise, you cannot delete your Google account. So just enter your password here. After entering your password, click on next. Now just scroll here and click on these two options. Now just click on delete account. Now open it with the browser. I'm just using Chrome. Now here you can see my Google account and all of its data have been deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete Gmail account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.